Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Poocoin on your Trust Wallet application step by step. First of all, we're going to open up Google Chrome and we're going to be heading over to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description. What we're simply going to be doing here is copying our BNB Smart Chain wallet address. That's the address for this Poocoin. And we'll head over to Trust Wallet and would be inputting it at this toggle at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, you paste the contract address you just copied, Poocoin. It shows up. You click on Poocoin, you activate it, of course. You click on it. Obviously, we can send and receive some Poocoin. So what we're going to be doing is buying Poocoin. And in order to do that, we're going to head over to the DApp section. Once at the DApp section, we're clicking on this PancakeSwap logo here. Once PancakeSwap loads up, you make sure you're connected by clicking on this wallet icon. And if it shows you the option to disconnect, it means you're connected. Okay guys, and once you've made sure your wallet is connected, you simply click on Poocoin, okay? You simply paste the wallet address for Poocoin. You give the token some time to load. You press and hold on this search name option and click paste. Poocoin shows up, you click on Poocoin, and we're simply going to be exchanging our BNB. That's 0.0147, our BNB for 13.369 Poocoin. Simply click on swap, that's confirm swap. A smart contract call pops up. You click on approve. You give it some time to swap this Poocoin for you. And your swap has been confirmed. So all you need to do is click on add Poocoin to wallet. Once you've clicked on that, you click on close and you close pancakeswap.finance. Head back to your wallet's your tokens menu. You reload, and boom, your Poocoin is made available to you on your tokens menu on Trust Wallet. So thank you for tuning into today's video, guys. That's how you simply buy the Poocoin on your Trust Wallet application. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to buy and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.